Introducing Control D Blood Glucose Monitor, a simple, accurate and portable device to measure your blood glucose level. So let's open this kit and find out what is inside it. So here you get some manuals and a black box. The black box has some stuff, so let's open this box and find out the stuff inside it. So here you get some Lancets, a battery which you have to place in glucometer, a glucometer which is in black color, a lancing device which you have to inject. Now let's close this box and talk about these things. First of all, you have to place or insert the battery inside the glucometer, and then you have to tap the button gently. After that, you have to open the strip box and take a strip from it. You have to keep in mind that the black side of the strip should be inserted inside the slot of glucometer. Let me show you. So here you have to insert the strip, and when you insert it properly, the monitor will itself show you the indication. Now take the Lancets and insert it inside the lancing device. Then close the cap gently. You may check it while pressing the button. Take a alcohol wipe strip and clean your finger gently so that you can pin the hole inside your finger. Now pick the lancing device and press the button of the lancing device so that you may pin the hole inside your finger. You just need to touch this strip in your blood, and your blood will itself absorb by the strip. It will itself shows the reading in the monitor screen, and you will get the right reading of your glucose level. Stay healthy and stay safe.